In the center of Tokyo, surrounded by skyscrapers and bustling traffic, lies a vast green sanctuary, the Tokyo Imperial Palace, home to Japan's emperor and a living link to centuries of history. But before it was a palace, it was a fortress. This was once the site of Edo Castle, built in the 15th century by the powerful Ota Dokkan. By the 1600s, it became the seat of the Tokugawa shoguns, who ruled Japan for over 260 years during the Edo period. After the Meiji restoration in 1868, when imperial power was restored, Emperor Meiji moved Japan's capital from Kyoto to Tokyo, and the old shogun castle became the new imperial palace. Much of the original Edo castle was lost to fires and wars, but its legacy remains. The massive stone walls, moats, and watchtowers you see today were built by master stonemasons centuries ago, symbols of power and permanence. During World War II, the palace was heavily damaged by air raids, but reconstruction began soon after. The current Kyuden, or imperial residence, was completed in 1968, blending traditional Japanese aesthetics with modern architecture. Today, the palace grounds cover over 1.15 square kilometers, including gardens, moats, bridges, and ancient gates. Most of it is closed to the public, but two areas, the East Gardens and the Imperial Palace outer grounds, welcome visitors year-round. On New Year's Day and the Emperor's birthday, the inner grounds open, and the Emperor and royal family greet the public from the palace balcony, a tradition that draws thousands of well-wishers waving the Hinomaru flag. From shoguns to emperors, from fortress to palace, the Tokyo Imperial Palace isn't just the home of Japan's monarch, it's the heart of the nation's history.